Hi guys, it's about 9:30 at night and we are taking delivery of a 2006 Chevrolet Corvette that's made its way from Florida to South Texas. And take a look at my cool inventory right now, guys. It is crazy. So hit that subscribe button and hit that follow button. And how do you guys like these new lights? I mean, all of my cars are looking so good right now. Our inventory is jam-packed. We got this 2015 Z51 3LT, 39,000 miles right underneath the spotlight. Right behind it, we got a 2017 Jaguar F-Type. Then we got a C6 manual Corvette. Then we got a classic Corvette, two-tone with side pipes. This one's 18.5. This one's right around 20 grand. I'm trying to buy this Roadrunner right now. Really trying to buy it. Then I got my GT 500 convertible, standard of course. And if you didn't like this body style, I got a 1996 Cobra, standard, 42,000 miles on it. That Corvette sold. Then we got my Thunderbird Alley. We got an 03 baby powder blue. We got a red 03. Then we got a 56 avocado. And we're getting this 06 convertible.
You can be over there.
There he is. You look good in it, my friend. Yeah, you're good. Well, here she is. It's sounding nice. Long night, huh? So here it is, 2006 Chevrolet Corvette. All the way from Florida. So you got the Z06 wheels on it. Pretty dirty. It's traveled all over the place. A little dirty in here. It's got dog treats, dog toys.
For Bulma.
For Bulma. So I need to call Jimmy. Hey man, why don't you take your dog stuff out of there? But we'll get it all cleaned up. Now on the C6s, you gotta watch about the headlights. These one's little hazy, so we'll get these ones.
TikTok?
No.
TikTok, YouTube.
YouTube.
We sell a lot of cars off YouTube.
Oh, did you see this?
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, cool. How long you been here?
7 years.
7 years. Good. I heard this guy made you take a Uber or taxi to his house or something. It was difficult.
Evet, şunu ya.
You got the keys? All right. Now let's take a look inside. You got a freaking dog bed in here. And even some dog treats. I think my dog even needs these treats right here. Got all kinds of stuff in here, Jimmy. Well, I don't know. Maybe next time somebody sells me your car, try to clean it out a bit. But back here, what we got back here? This is for the top. Yes, there's an amplifier back there. Now, again, these are Z06 wheels. It has a different exhaust system on it too, I believe. We'll check that one out. Yeah, Borla exhaust. All right, guys, moment of truth. Got all the photos done, got the signature done. We're gonna fire it up ourselves and see what it's like. So this one's gonna need a full detail. It smells like dogs in here, but whatever. We'll get it figured out. Nothing a detail won't fix. 76,000 miles on it. Completely stock. So no headers, no cams. You even got a dog treat right here in case you were hungry. What's going on there, guys? Now, let's try the important top. Let's try the top. So, if you guys don't know, the hatch needs to be here for the top to work. Perfect. Okay, let's try the top, guys. Looks like it's working. And here we go. We got the top working and everything. So, car sounds amazing. I'm sure it drives great. Other than a quick detail, that's all this one's gonna need. We got papers flying all over the place. We got napkins. Like I said, car needs a good detail, but we'll get that knocked out over here. And if you guys have a car for sale, let me know. We're gonna get this one all dolled up, check it all out, test drive it, get it serviced, throw it up on our website, and get you guys the best deal possible. So, Jimmy, thank you for selling me your car. Maybe you should take out some of the trash, but don't worry about it. I'll pay somebody to do it. All right, guys, here is the final product. We just got this whole car paint corrected, detailed, and done up, and it looks nice. Take a look at it. This thing has got Boyle exhaust. It's a million times better than when we first saw the car. Look at that interior, guys. A million times better. So we're gonna fire this car up. I haven't even drove the car. I have not even drove this car. Everybody's drove it except me, and we got hit with a huge bill on this thing, by the way. I was not expecting that. It actually kind of sucks. So when I took it to the detail shop, they also just started mechanic shops. They said, well, Bobby, this traction control light came on. Let's try to, we can fix that for you. It's like, okay, great, car's there. It's gonna be more advantageous for me to fix it, right? Wrong. $890 is what I spent on this car. But whatever. I'm getting these cars dialed in for you guys, so I hope you guys appreciate that. But fired right up. Got a nice little rumble to it, not too loud, not too quiet. It still has this light on. I've already tested the alternator and battery, but it still has this service charging system deal. So I'll take a look into that here shortly, but I didn't want them to fix it because I was tired of that big old bill already. I think we replaced a right wheel hub or something like that, plus the detail. The diagnostic is what killed it. I haven't paid diagnostic charge in years, but I paid one right now. So lesson learned. But anyways, let's go take this car around the block for a drive, see how this one runs. Sounds great. And this is the first time me driving it. Oh, it's got some power to it, guys. It's got some power to it. That is for sure. There's my competition right there, even though they don't sell any cool cars. I actually don't really have that much competition here in town. Nobody sells these kind of cars like I do. Oh man, this sounds great. It drives great. Convertible, it's hard to beat a convertible this time of the year. Look at this. Imagine driving this top down, hair flowing in the wind. In my dad's case, one hair flowing in the wind. It's still a cool riding Corvette. So besides me getting hit with a $900 bill, I'd say this buy came out great. It was a little dirty at first. It was a little dirty, but we got it all cleaned up for y'all. Let's get on it. Oh, yeah. This thing's amazing. And it's an automatic. Now, I like standards. I love standard cars. But sometimes it's a little annoying to shift, downshift and upshift all the time. Automatic's a great cruising vehicle. But just look how clean this is. You remember all the pots, trash and everything all there? It's all gone. I didn't even know this car had Corvette mats, that it was so dirty. But it had rubber Corvette mats, which is cool. So, let's get back to the lot. The exhaust is like a perfect sound because it's not, the neighbors ain't gonna kill you, but it's a lot better than stock. And here's my inventory right now, guys. Look at my dealership. We are jam-packed with stuff right now. Jam-packed. Look at my Roadrunner. I just bought that Roadrunner too. But we are stacking these cars deep. Appreciate all the guys that are buying and selling. Let's take one last look around this car. I mean, this is just one of those cars where it was super discouraging at first seeing it, but now, after this paint correction detail and getting it all cleaned up, it's a whole nother car. This is why people don't sell cars, or dealerships don't sell cars dirty, because of this reason right here. They look so much nicer all cleaned up, to where if somebody saw it dirty, they would not pay what their car's actually worth. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys have a car for sale, let me know. If you're interested in anything you guys see over here, whether it's my Grand Sport, my baby blue Thunderbird, my GT500, my Cobra that's out there, let me know. We can ship cars nationwide. So yeah, any questions, give us a call at 361-992-1104 or go to our website.